Potatoes, a nutritious staple or a diet disaster. Are potatoes the ultimate comfort food or a nutrition nightmare? From mashed potatoes to potato chips, it seems like we can't get enough of this starchy staple. But is it really doing our bodies any favors? Are potatoes a healthy choice, or are they secretly harming our health? Find out in this video. Today, potatoes are the fourth most widely cultivated crop in the world, with over 5,000 varieties grown in over 100 countries. They can be prepared in countless ways, from baked and mashed to fried and roasted, and they are a key ingredient in dishes such as mashed potatoes, French fries, and potato chips. Despite their popularity, however, there is an ongoing debate about the nutritional value of potatoes. Some argue that potatoes are a nutritious source of vitamins and minerals, while others claim that they are high in carbs and hurt blood sugar levels, amongst other factors. In this video, we will delve into the history and nutritional profile of potatoes, examining both the potential benefits and drawbacks of this starchy vegetable. We will explore the vitamins and minerals found in potatoes, the presence of antioxidants and resistant starch, and the potential satiating effects of this humble root veggie. By the end of this video, you will have a well-rounded understanding of whether potatoes are a healthy choice for you and your family. History. The history of potatoes is a fascinating tale that spans thousands of years and multiple continents. Originally native to the Andes Mountains in South America, potatoes were first domesticated by the Inca civilization around 8000 BC. The Incas valued potatoes for their ability to grow in a variety of climates and their high caloric yield, and they used them as a staple food in their diet. It wasn't until the 16th century that potatoes were introduced to Europe, where they quickly gained popularity due to their versatility and ability to be grown in a variety of climates. Potatoes were initially viewed with skepticism and were even thought to be poisonous by some. However, they eventually caught on as a cheap and reliable source of food, particularly in Ireland, where they became a staple crop. In the 18th and 19th centuries, potatoes became a key ingredient in many dishes. They also played a crucial role in feeding the rapidly growing population in Europe and the United States. Nutritional value of potatoes. When it comes to the nutritional value of potatoes, there are both potential benefits and drawbacks to consider. On the one hand, potatoes are a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients can support a healthy immune system, help to maintain healthy blood pressure, and contribute to overall good health. In addition to these nutrients, potatoes also contain antioxidants, which are compounds that help to protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. A study found that potatoes have a high level of antioxidants, especially when they are cooked in their skins. Potatoes are also a good source of resistant starch, which is beneficial for colon health. This is achieved by supporting gut health and increasing the production of butyric acid. Dietary fiber found in potatoes plays a very major role in maintaining regular bowel movements and supporting overall digestive health. One medium-sized potato with the skin on contains about 2 grams of fiber, which is about 8% of the recommended daily intake for adults. Note that the method of preparation has a significant effect on the nutritional value. Antioxidants in potatoes. Antioxidants are compounds that help to protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. They are found in a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and nuts, and therefore to play a role in supporting overall health and well-being. Potatoes are an extremely good source of antioxidants, particularly when they are cooked in their skins. They often contain high levels of several types of antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids. One type of antioxidant found in potatoes is flavonoids, which reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Another type of flavonoid found in potatoes is quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects on the body. Carotenoids are another type of antioxidant found in potatoes, particularly in yellow and orange-fleshed varieties. These compounds have a role in reducing inflammation and improving eye health. And again, the concentration of antioxidants in potatoes can vary depending on many factors, including the variety of potatoes, how they are grown, and how they are prepared. Different types of potatoes can have varying levels of antioxidants. For example, purple potatoes had higher levels of antioxidants compared to white or yellow potatoes. Additionally, how potatoes are grown and prepared can also influence the concentration of antioxidants they contain. For example, potatoes grown in soil that is rich in organic matter may contain higher levels of antioxidants compared to those grown in soil that is not as nutrient-rich. Whereas cooking potatoes in their skins can increase the number of antioxidants they contain. Satiety of potatoes. Potatoes have a satiety effect, meaning that they can help to increase feelings of fullness and reduce hunger. This may be due in part to the presence of dietary fiber in potatoes, as well as their resistance to digestion. For instance, people who ate a meal containing boiled potatoes felt more satisfied and had lower levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin compared to those who ate a meal containing white bread, while those who ate a meal containing baked potatoes had lower levels of hunger and a higher likelihood of feeling full compared to those who ate a meal containing pasta. And besides, the satiating effect of potatoes may be impacted by how they are prepared. For example, frying potatoes or loading them with high-fat toppings can significantly increase their calorie and fat content, which may negate their potential satiating effect. Similarly, boiling potatoes without the skin can reduce their fiber content, which may also impact their ability to increase feelings of fullness. Resistant starch in potatoes. Did you know that you can actually boost the health benefits of potatoes by changing the way you cook them? One little known fact about potatoes is that they contain a type of starch called resistant starch, which has been shown to have numerous health benefits. One way to increase the resistant starch content of potatoes is to boil them in their skin and then allow them to cool. This process causes the potatoes to form a type of resistant starch that is not easily broken down by the body. However, it's important to note that once you reheat the potatoes, the resistant starch stays present. One potential benefit of resistant starch is its impact on gut health. Resistant starch has been shown to support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the colon, which can help to maintain a healthy balance of microflora in the gut. This can lead to improved digestion and bowel function. Resistant starch also increases the production of butyric acid, which is a short-chain fatty acid that is beneficial for colon health. Butyric acid has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects on the body and may play a role in reducing the risk of colon cancer. Furthermore, it helps improve insulin sensitivity, which may be helpful for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Unhealthy aspects of potatoes. While potatoes can be a nutritious and healthy choice as part of a balanced diet, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider when it comes to their nutritional value. Their classification as a nightshade vegetable raises major concern. Nightshade vegetables, which also include tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants, contain alkaloids, which are naturally occurring compounds that can have toxic effects on some people. They may be sensitive to these compounds and experience symptoms such as joint pain, digestive issues, or skin irritation when they eat potatoes. Another potential drawback of potatoes is their relatively high glycemic index. This is a measure of how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels after it is eaten. Potatoes have a high glycemic index, which means that they can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels after they are consumed. This is a concern for people with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels. But the glycemic index will be lower if you first let the potatoes cool down completely and then use them again. While potatoes can have a satiating effect and may be helpful for weight management when consumed as part of a balanced diet, they can also contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. This is particularly true if potatoes are fried or loaded with high-fat toppings, as these preparations can significantly increase their calorie and fat content. Conclusion. So, are potatoes healthy or unhealthy? The answer isn't quite as simple as it seems. Thank you for watching our video on the pros and cons of potatoes. If you found this information helpful and would like to learn more about other healthy and unhealthy aspects of different types of foods, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. We'll see you at the next one.